Alright, so we're going to continue the same problem, and this time I'm not going to use any calculus. I'm going to use just pre-cal stuff. So if we recall how to graph out the functions, we first graph the inside function. So we first graph ln of x. We all know ln of x looks like this one here. Kind of looks like the snake here coming out. It has a vertical asymptote at 0. And what I'm going to, so this is ln of x, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to square it here. So what happens when I square a function, if you remember, when you square a function, the positives flip upwards. Basically. So what is basically going to happen here is when I square this, these negative values are going to kind of just flip like this here. So really the graph of ln of x squared is going to look like something like this here, or it's going to touch here, then it kind of like goes outwards. As you can see, it makes sense here, and this coincides with this one, and this one is 1 because it crosses at 1 here. And it makes sense and corresponds with our two extreme values here too, because you can see one of the values was 1, 0, which was a minimum because 0 is smaller than ln of 2, and the other one was at 2, which was just the height of the function, which was just ln of 2 squared, right? So as you can see here, this is an easier way of actually finding what your extreme values are, which in this case are the same thing. The extreme values are going to be 1, 0, and it's also going to be 2 ln 2 squared, okay? Whatever that is. And we might as well label these. This one was the minimum, or the absolute min, and this one here was the absolute max. Okay.